friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen mini corn on the cob in the air fryer. So we just need a package of frozen corn on the cob. They're frozen solid. No need to defrost, you can just cook it in the air fryer straight from frozen. And I'm also going to use non-stick cookie spray just to make sure they don't stick to the air fryer basket. So let's take out the air fryer basket. And I will spray the bottom of the basket with a non-stick cookie spray. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the bottom of the basket with vegetable oil. And now I will open a package of frozen mini corn on the cob. And take out as many pieces of corn as fit in a single layer. So here I'm just going to cook 4 pieces. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Here's perfectly cooked corn on the cob. It's perfectly cooked, no longer frozen, inside all cooked, very hot, looks delicious. Now let me take it out of the air fryer. So now you can season it with your favorite seasonings. I'm just going to sprinkle it with salt. You can use seasonings of your choice. And you can also put some melted butter on it, whatever seasonings you like. This is the time to add them. And I'm so excited about trying this corn. Now let's try it. Delicious. It tastes amazing. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen corn on the cob. This is so easy and tastes so good. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!